They're playing a dangerous game, and the new arrival wants a piece of the action. After his initial exploratory charge, he goes in for the kill.
Whoa, isn't it incredible? I didn't believe it when I saw it through the viewfinder. And now look, the two lions are tearing that poor fellow apart.
No, it's incredible. It's just incredible.
He is using all his strengths, that lion, to kill that cheetah.
He's doing a good job.
As if the action isn't rare enough, Leo and his wife were able to capture it on 2 separate cameras. Watching the attack from all angles, Craig marvels at the lion's potent technique.
Look how he uses his claws to lift up the neck and curl it in. He's grabbed him, he's holding him in such a position that now he needs to get the back of the neck. Once he does that, then he can snap its spine. But then the way that other guy came up and held on to the other end, that's like a gang attack on another lion. So they're obviously treating the cheetah like a dangerous animal. And they're not going to eat it, they just want to kill it.
They do that with little trouble, while still keeping track of the remaining 2 cheetahs. Not completely satisfied, one of the lions returns to the dead cheetah.